Let's use motion capture. Here, in the first half, I'll be explaining how to apply an external motion data BVH file to a model. In the second half, I'll explain how to mix the motion you applied with the keyframe motion. Do you have your BVH file? I will be explaining with version 2.4.0 of the user interface. First half, let's apply the motion. I display the model. In order to apply the motion BVH file, we need to enter Add Motion mode. Let's display the panel. Press the Motion Capture button. A submenu will appear. Select Add Motion mode. Another submenu will appear, so press Start. The bone structure of the model will change. It is now in Object mode. We have changed the model's bone structure in order to make it easier to apply the BVH file to Make Walk. Additionally, Make Walk only works in Object mode, so please leave it in Object mode. Next, we'll use Make Walk. It is in the tool shelf on the left of the Make Walk 3D view. Let's show the panel. In order to use Make Walk, first, select the Make Walk target armature, which is 2 from the bottom. An Init Target Panel button will appear. Let's press it. Details should be shown. On the bottom of the Init Target panel, there will be a space for selecting a target rig. Selecting this space should show a submenu. Select Pastel Action. There is a checkbox called Auto Target Rig at the bottom of the Target Rig selection area. Make sure it is unchecked. Selecting the target rig and unchecking Auto Target Rig is necessary each time you want to apply motion. Next, press the Load and Target button at the top. Next, select the BVH file that you want to apply. Select Load and Retarget from the top right. The motion has been applied. When Make Walk is applied, the time frame will become 0 and it will be a T-pose. Pressing the Animation button will allow you to start an animation from the first frame. If you're not happy with the animation, you can use Make Walk again to swap it for a different motion. Let's secure the current motion in place and add motion mode. As before, click the Motion Capture button. Select Add Motion Mode from the submenu. Another submenu will appear, so click End. The bone structure should return to before. Make the panel invisible and play the motion. That's all for the explanation of applying motion to a model. Thank you for watching.